Good morning everyone, I am Vishakha Thakur. Welcome to 3.0 TV. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies consolidate ahead of jobs data, Bitcoin trades above $20,000. Bankrupt crypto lender Celsius seeks to return custody clients' funds. Social media giant disbands Web3 team amid layoffs. New global CBDC platform could cut payment costs, says IMF. Defunct crypto exchange Mt. Gox to set creditor repayment date in due course. Second round of layoffs at Brazilian crypto unicorn 2TM. DeFi platform Kyber network discloses $265,000 exploit, vows to reimburse all funds. Controversial crypto lawyer Roche pulls out of Nexo, Binance.US, Solana and Dfinity lawsuits. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrencies traded steady Friday after US stocks ended mixed ahead of jobs data. Bitcoin traded above $20,000. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 rose 0.46% and 0.3% respectively, while tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite fell 0.3%. Investors await payrolls data later today, a key economic report which the Federal Reserve will weigh before its policy meet later this month. Consensus forecasts show US companies may have added 318,000 jobs last month and that the unemployment rate held steady at 3.5%. Average hourly wages are expected to gain 0.4% from the prior month or 5.3% on an annualized basis. Earlier on Thursday, data showed that continuing jobless claims for August were 1.44 million, matching the consensus but also exceeding July's figure of 1.41 million. Speculative assets such as stocks and cryptocurrencies have been under pressure as investors evaluated hawkish comments from Fed officials who show no signs of easing up on interest rate hikes. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $20,070, up 0.4% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,570, up 2% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins too traded flat to mixed. Cryptocurrency market capitalization continued to hover a shade below $1 trillion. Bankrupt crypto lender Celsius Network is seeking the court's permission to return $44 million worth of custody holders' funds to them. Celsius argued that these funds are not part of the bankruptcy estate, unlike funds from clients who deposit or borrow funds. Celsius has about 58,300 users who collectively deposited over $210 million with its custody and withhold, with 15,680 customers holding pure custody asset worth around $44 million. The bankruptcy court has scheduled a hearing for October 6 to discuss the matter. Instant and short messaging app has decided to disband its Web3 team to slash costs following sharply lower growth, while the company's Web3 team co-founder Jake Shenman also announced his departure. Earlier this week, Snap announced that it would lay off 20% of its workforce after its second quarter revenue fell below the guidance and analysts' estimates. The layoffs are expected to hit Snap's augmented reality spectacles team, probably ending the company's diversification attempt into AR. Snapchat Spectacles AR glasses were launched in 2016, 3 years after the company rolled out lenses, its custom AR filters. On Thursday, staff of the International Monetary Fund was called for a global platform for cross-border payments and reiterated calls to regulate a crypto sector that officials say is unstable, inefficient, and riddled with fraud. IMF should develop a new system to cut the costs of international transfers, according to Tobias Adrian, director of the IMF's Monetary and Capital Markets Department. According to him, the platform would accept CBDC payments, hold them in escrow, and issue tokens in exchange. Cross-border CBDC platforms are technically viable according to a project that involved Australia and South Africa in March, but officials have been most skeptical about the potential of a private crypto firm taking over the reins. The distribution of funds to former customers of the defunct crypto exchange MTGOX will begin on a repayment date to be set in due course, according to the notice to creditors released by MTGOX trustee Nobuaka Kobashi. Creditors are owed 141,686 Bitcoin, 142,846 Bitcoin cash, and 69,776,002,441 yen following a 2014 hack that resulted in the loss of 850,000 Bitcoin. The base repayment deadline is set by the Rehabilitation Trustee with the permission of the court as the date deemed appropriate for repayment and will be set in due course, the document states. Creditors have also been given until September 15 to file or transfer a claim. After that date, claims, transfers, or the provision of collateral are prohibited and will not be processed by the rehabilitation system, potentially resulting in delays or a loss of funds. The base repayment deadline, which has yet to be determined, is expected to be the same as early lump sum payment deadline. Repayments made with cash obtained from the liquidation of MTGOX's Bitcoin will be delayed because the sale of cryptocurrency may take some time. 2TM, the holding company for Brazil's largest crypto exchange by valuation, Mercado Bitcoin, laid off 15% of its workforce, or about 100 employees, on Thursday. The economic adversity continues, said the company in a statement. It's the second round of job cuts this summer for 2TM, which in June let go of more than 80 workers. Other crypto-related companies in Latin America announcing layoffs recently include crypto exchange Bitso, Mercado Bitcoin's main competitor in Brazil, and Argentina-based exchange Buenbit, which slashed 45% of its staff. Kyber, a multi-chain decentralized finance platform, discovered a vulnerability to its website code that allowed exploiters to run away with approximately $265,000. Two whale addresses appear to be impacted by the attack, according to Kyber, which plans to reimburse the losses. Kyber said it discovered the exploit, which let attackers insert a false approval allowing a hacker to transfer a user's fund to his address on September 1 and neutralize the threat within 2 hours. The exploit hit KyberSwap, a decentralized exchange that allows users to swap between currencies on different blockchains. KyberSwap's blockchain contracts were not affected. The problem stemmed from malicious Google Tag Manager code in the KyberSwap website, according to a statement from Kyber. Crypto lawyer Kyle Roche has filed to withdraw from several class action lawsuits against major crypto companies, according to a series of court filings Thursday, after pulling out of 4 additional cases the day before. The relevant lawsuits involve Nexo Capital, BAM Trading, which operates as Binance.US, Dfinity, and Solana Labs. Roche also withdrew from a class action lawsuit against several universities. The round of withdrawals come after similar filings on Wednesday revealed that Roche, a founding partner of law firm Roche Friedman, would be stepping away from his law firm's class action practice. On Wednesday, Roche filed to withdraw from aspiring class action lawsuits involving Tether, Bitfinex, the Tron Foundation, and BitMEX. Roche did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Last Friday, whistleblower site CryptoLeaks published a series of damning videos accusing the lawyer of weaponizing class action lawsuits to collect sensitive information on various crypto companies. That's all in the news today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV.